In this video, we can talk about top 5 ZimmWriter alternatives and competitors. Hello, and welcome to our Alternatives channel. You have come to the right place if you were looking for the alternatives to ZimmWriter, an AI writing tool. In this video, we will introduce you to top 5 ZimmWriter alternatives, which include Writersonic, Jasper, Grammarly Business, ChatGPT, and Copy AI to help you create high-quality content. Now let's explore all the 5 alternatives. The first alternative is Writersonic. Writersonic is an AI-powered copywriting tool that uses machine learning algorithms to generate high-quality content quickly. It offers features like AI article and blog writer, paraphrasing tool, text expander, article summarizer, and product descriptions. The software is user-friendly, and its AI technology ensures that the content generated is of high quality and unique. One of the standout features of the software is that it offers a personalized writing experience based on your writing style. Second one is Jasper Ai. Jasper AI is an advanced artificial intelligence tool that helps users generate high-quality copy instantly for various purposes, including emails, ads, websites, listings, blogs, and more. It offers features like language translation, browser extension, template library, and brand voice and memory. With Chai Research, you can nurture a deep friendship that is always available, highly attentive, and understanding of all your needs. One of the standout features that make the Chai Research platform unique is its sophisticated neurological algorithms that constantly learn and adapt to the user's personality. Third alternative is Grammarly Business. Grammarly Business is an intelligent communication tool that uses AI to improve the writing skills of your team while streamlining their work processes. It offers features like grammar checker, plagiarism checker, citation generator, essay checker, and style guide. The software is user-friendly, and its AI technology ensures that the content generated is of high quality and unique. One of the standout features of the software is that it offers a personalized writing experience based on your writing style. Fourth alternative is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced chatbot powered by AI that has been trained using the latest natural language processing techniques. It offers features like chatbot templates, natural language processing, and customer data management. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to build and launch their chatbots. One of the standout features of ChatGPT is its ability to learn from user interactions and adapt its responses accordingly. Fifth alternative is Copy AI. Copy AI is an AI-powered writing assistant that allows you to write 10x faster while engaging your audience and eliminating writer's block. It offers features like email copywriting, ad copy creation, and landing page creation. It has the capability to generate content that matches the tone, style, and voice of the user, resulting in more personalized and authentic content. One of the standout features of Copy AI is the ability to generate multiple content options based on a single idea. Compared to ZimmWriter, Writersonic is more focused on AI-powered content creation. Jasper AI is a cloud-based writing assistant designed to improve writing efficiency. Grammarly Business is another writing assistant that offers advanced grammar and spell checking capabilities. ChatGPT, like Writersonic, also uses AI to generate content, but it's more focused on conversational language. And Copy AI is a text generation tool that uses AI to create high-quality copy for various purposes. If you're looking for AI-powered content creation tool, we rate Writersonic as the best option. It's easy to use and provides high-quality content generation capabilities. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision about which writing tool is right for your business. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.